This is my presentation about the drop kick, obviously in rugby. The technical analysis of a drop kick is suggested here. You hold the ball out straight in front of you and take a step forward and casually drop it. And as you drop it, you step into it and then connect, and then obviously with the follow through. There's an example, this is the BBC example. Also physical analysis, you can be assessed on a suggested test such as the jump decathlon, which is basically 10 events where you just running, jumping and hopping. Physiological analysis of a drop kick is generating power in the kicking leg, takes place over a period of about a second. Stability in the main body of the core in terms of stance and non-kicking leg. Also fast twitch muscle fibres are active in anaerobic way. Good range of movement at the hip, knee and ankle joint are required. Also you need to be flexible and also have strong ligaments around the joint to maintain the posture and perform smooth movement. Psychological, such as concentration, we use the broad and narrow continuum. This focuses on the athletes on large and small number of stimuli, internal and external, as you can see, and the external and the internal and the broad and the narrow. Also, during this continuum, common distractions are anxiety, which cause mistakes, fatigue, weather, public announcements, coach and manager, opponent, and negative thoughts. These are all distractions to the athlete. Strategies to improve the concentration are very personal. One way to maintain focus is to process goals for each session or competition. Biomechanical analysis, the drop kick. An effective drop kick begins by the kicker holding the ball approximately 45 degrees position away, extended from the body. Seek to swing the kicking leg through the ball. First, firmly plant the non-kicking foot on the playing surface next to where the ball is about to bounce. Also, the kicker of the body of the kicker may be leaning slightly at an angle of perpendicular to the surface just before the impact. The kicker's foot will then be positioned in a downward position, which also known as plantar flexion. To achieve the desired height, trajectory, distance and drop on the drop kick, the kicking foot and leg will be in a smooth and powerful motion. Also, arms are generally positioned away from the body once the ball has been dropped to provide balance. As you can see, I've analysed his body and how all his limbs are positioned. The extrinsic influences are, for example, having a weaker player in your team. Psychologically you could have to motivate them, and also to improve them you'd have quality coaching, which is a technical factor. Extrinsic influences mean that they can affect your performance from other people around you or anything around you. Intrinsic influences means that are within yourself. For example, a footballer making a decision whether to pass or shoot when they're stood on the edge of the box. A tactical would be to experience this situation. A technical would be that you've been doing drills for several years, and also a psychological would be that you have the confidence to make the decision.